Well, g'day curd nerds. Another cheese making taste test. This one, something special. This is a very old cheese. So this is Pecorino Romano that was made from raw ewe's milk, sheep's milk, and it was made in November 2017. So it is two and a half years old. So this is a very old cheese. Now, in the bag itself, there's a little bit of moisture, but the cheese underneath is very firm, as it was originally in the original taste test. So let me just cut off the vacuum packing, and we'll get rid of that moisture. I'll just get some tea towel, some paper towel. So I dare say I'm going to need a little bit of this to get the moisture sopped up, if that makes sense. Sop up the moisture or the excess whey. All right, now without trying to cut the string, you get out of the way. Yeah, what's the best way to do this? Let's do it this way. With my special sharp scissors. I can't remember who sent me the scissors. Somebody sent me the scissors all the way from the USA. They're a Fiskars sharp one. Not sponsored content, but it works. They work really well. Now, if you were the person that sent me the scissors, leave a comment below. That would be cool. Alright, so let's try and leave all the moisture in the bag. Yep, which I've done. There's a little bit in there. As you can see, a fair bit has come out over the time. Let me just get rid of that. And I'm back. Right, so let's just pat down the outside of this very white cheese. There's a bit of moisture there. I can actually feel it's either calcium lactate or tyrosine crystals all around this cheese. So pretty cool if they're there. Mind you, for a hard cheese 2.5 years old, I would kind of expect some crystal development, which is one of those things hard cheeses are renowned for. Now, it looks white on the outside. I think that's because it was in contact with the whey and stuff. Let's just get rid of that down there. Get out the trusty tea towel. Those crystals off my fingers. Let's have a smell. Oh, it smells great. Oh, it really does. Really does. All right, let's just see if the wire will cut through, because this is a very hard. Oh, don't break it. Come on, cheese. Oh, you can do it. Oh yes, perfect. Oh, it looks really good on the inside too. Very white, but as that's sheep's milk. This is just white. Alright, so we've got our quarters. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of the cutter. Pop that in there. Very nice. So you can see there's the cut there. Smells great. Right, so let's try some of this. I don't know how crumbly it's going to be. Oh, it's very crumbly. Or maybe not, it's just bendy. Oh, they cut quite well. Let's have a look. I can see lots of crystals in there. In fact, it's all crystals. Let's have a go. It's one of the oldest cheeses that I've managed to keep in the cheese fridge for so long, 2.5 years. And I thank Graham Strong from Arcadia Saltbush Lamb for providing me with the milk for this. Anyway, let's try it, shall we? My goodness. This cheese is amazing. Oh, the flavours. It's just blowing my mind. Oh, freaking hell, that's good. That would be perfect grated on any pasta dish. And I got the grater. I'm going to check that in a minute, because when you aerate cheese it tastes a little bit different. But that is a brilliant hard cheese. The longer you age it, what do they say? They say old wine, old cheese, and old friends make good company. Either that or I made that up. I read it somewhere, but it's so true. This is, oh, it's delightful. There's a bite to it, a nice piquant bite. Piquant. I don't know how to pronounce it in Italian, seeing I'm not Italian, but lovely, delightful. The after flavour in the mouth, oh, just coats the tongue, goes right in the back. This is just, it's grainy, and I'm pretty sure that's how it's supposed to be, so really good. So glad I keep this half. I'm so glad I kept this half in the cheese fridge for longer aging, but absolutely perfect. It's like having a cheesegasm. It's just so good. Anyway, let's see how this grates. Let's get a bit and we'll grate it. Cut a bit off. So it's like your kind of standard store-bought chunk, isn't it? I think it's about right. Let's get these bits out of the way. I don't grate too much, that'll do. Grates well. Let's get rid of that. Clean the hands again. I've got to try and get rid of that flavour in my mouth. It's just so good. Right, let's have a go. Let's have a go at what this tastes like grated. You're not going to believe it, that actually tastes a lot better. It's even more stronger. There's more surface area, obviously, because I've grated it. But my goodness, that's just a flavour punch in the mouth. So I think I'm going to make some sort of pasta dish for dinner, and I'm going to have some of this on it. This is delicious. This would even go with just some spaghetti with some basil or tomato pesto, and this just grated over the top and stirred through. Oh, to die for. This is just great. But anyway, lovely cheese. If you can get your hands on some sheep's milk, ewe's milk, then do yourself a favour, make yourself some Pecorino Romano, and you can check the recipe out for that over here. It's fairly old, but it is a very good cheese recipe. It is difficult to get your hands on sheep's milk, but if you can get a ready supply, then give this cheese a go. It's not something you're going to eat huge chunks of, by itself. It's more of a grating cheese, and my goodness, does it pack some flavour. It is absolutely amazing, and you can taste the crystals in the cheese because it's been aged so long. But you can make a really good hard cheese yourself at home if you've got great ingredients. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell so you can get notified for more cheesy content. This cheese, a quarter of it is going to go back into the cheese fridge, and I am going to mature that for maybe another year. We'll see. But I'm going to ready use the other quarter now in this big chunk. On pass, and that'll keep us going for about 3 or 4 months for Italian cheese. Absolutely beautiful. Do yourself a favour and go and try it yourself. Anyway, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I will see you next time.